it's Theresa with Yellow Daisy. I'm so excited to be bringing you along with me today as I tidy, organize, and decorate our master bathroom. So for today's video, what I'm gonna do is organize and clean out the vanity sink area of our master bathroom. We are in the middle of our master bath and master bedroom updating, remodeling. We're doing some painting, changing out fixtures, and some other things, and I can't wait to bring you along for all of that. And for this video, I am participating in Christina over at the DIY Mommies Organize and Decorate Challenge that she is hosting. I have already posted one video showing you the before of our bathroom, so I'll link that above and also below in the description box. In case you haven't seen that yet, you can go over and watch that and see what our bathroom looked like when we started this project. And if you're new to our channel and you like DIYs, decorating on budgets, cook with me, clean with me, decluttering, organizing, a little bit of vlogging, this is the channel for you. Go on and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and it'll let you know when we post a new video. So let's go on and get started tidying, organizing, and decorating my master bathroom. Here are a couple pictures of our bathroom before we painted, changed the light fixtures, and demoed that glass enclosure. So the first thing that we have to do is clean out all of the drawers and cabinets, wipe them down, and assess everything that we want to keep, throw away, or give away. I found this contact paper at the dollar store, and it is really nice. It's a great weight. So what I did was I just kind of, with my finger, went around the edges so that I knew where to cut the contact paper. And then instead of peeling off the entire back, what I did was I just pulled back the corners. That way it wouldn't be a permanent fixture in the bottom of my drawer in case it gets messy or I get tired of looking at it and want to change it out. And all those clear plastic bins I also got at the dollar store. I will warn you, the sticker that's on them is like stuck like with cement glue. It's so hard to get the sticker off and then to get the sticky residue off. So just be aware of that when you purchase those. And I was so excited how these fit in this drawer. It was almost like they were meant to be. The drawer isn't that deep, so I always have a hard time finding with a lower profile. But as far as the length and width and depth, these worked perfect. So I was really excited about that. Now on to lipsticks. Are there any other lipstick junkies out there? I had no idea I had this many lipsticks. Leave a comment below and let me know if you love buying lipsticks as much as I apparently do. And now we're over at the sink cabinet, and this is my top drawer. Here you see I'm pulling back the contact paper backing. For these drawer cabinets that I had under my sink, they were pretty much organized. I just kind of needed to go through and see if there was something in there that I didn't want. But what I really wanted to do was actually make them a little bit more organized within that cabinet. So that's what I'm doing with the nail polish and then those self-tanning wipes. I wanted to kind of corral them a little neater. Here's another great tip. When you're organizing, decluttering, have a notebook and a pen or your phone and take notes of additional items that you may need. It could be more storage containers, or it could be something that you're getting rid of that you need to replace as like a product or something. Now this is the 3-drawer little cabinet that I have underneath my vanity, and this holds all my hair products. And I guess I like hair products as much as I do lipstick. So this cabinet definitely needed to be looked at and purged with old items that I'm no longer using. Okay guys, here's a little behind the scenes look at what your project will probably look like when you're decluttering and organizing. At least this is what mine always looks like a bomb went off. If this makes you anxious, just kind of step back, go get a cup of tea or coffee, and come back and then finish your project. So now I'm just going to throw away all of this. Now there's a couple of things I'm not going to throw away, but most of it's going to go in the trash. And then I'm going to put it back together, and then we can start decorating. This is the trash bag full of what I got out of just this cabinet, those 3 drawers, and my makeup drawer. Crazy. All of that. So take a couple minutes and go tackle an area. You will be totally amazed at what you can get rid of. And I just did a big purge in this bathroom last year. I have a video when I was following the Fly Lady. It was like a Fly Lady challenge, and I did the master bedroom and bathroom, and that was last year about this time. I'll link that video in case you guys haven't seen that one. Okay, so here's some things that I want to use in my bathroom, and I've been shopping for a while looking for little pieces that I wanted to incorporate in our master bathroom, and I found this sweet tray, silver tray. I mean, look at like the tarnish, which I'm keeping it. I love that old tarnished, I like to call it like crusty look. Trying to get it to focus in on that. There we go. See the hummingbird? And hummingbirds are my favorite bird, so that was perfect when I found that. And just the detail on the handle. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And then I found this 3-tier tarnished piece of goodness. So excited. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, just wipe it down with the dust. And my plan is to hopefully put, you know, all my night creams and lotions and all that kind of stuff on it in this corner right here above that area that I just hung this piece that I found actually for like 70% off back, oh my goodness, maybe the end of summer at Michael's. So I got it for like nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna put you down and I'm gonna go on and get this little corner decorated. Okay, and here's the after. What an amazing difference this drawer is. I'm so excited about this. Really, with all of my drawers and everything that I got rid of. So just take a few minutes and tackle an area of your home that's been bugging you. This is my husband's side of the sink, and really he didn't need anything to be cleaned out or purged, so I just wiped out his drawers. And here's my after. I'm so happy with the way that this bathroom is turning out. Please don't forget that this is just a portion of our bathroom refresh and updating, so keep an eye out on upcoming videos. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our Yellow Daisy family. And until next time, friends, bye-bye.